Hello there, I'm Charlotte from NightSearcher. Are you looking for a high-performance outdoor solar wall light? Meet the NexSun Ember, delivering 1,000 lumens of bright, efficient illumination with a modern, stylish design. With reflective technology, the NexSun Ember provides uniform, glare-free lighting while minimising light pollution, perfect for contemporary outdoor spaces. Equipped with an advanced PIR motion sensor, the NexSun Ember detects movement from up to 5 meters away within a 120-degree range. Our smart design uses cable ties to secure your solar light, perfect for renters, events, or anyone on the move. Its sleek design seamlessly blends into modern exteriors, enhancing both security and aesthetics while delivering consistent, high-quality illumination. Designed for versatility, the NexSun Ember ensures optimal light distribution while preserving its efficiency, offering a long-lasting and eco-friendly lighting solution for your home or business. With 4 adjustable lighting modes, you can customize brightness to suit your needs. Soft illumination until dawn for subtle continuous lighting. Dim mode with motion detection, saving energy while gradually activating full brightness when motion is detected. Then we have motion detection only. It gradually illuminates for security-focused lighting. And finally, full brightness until dawn for maximum illumination all night. The NexSun Ember, where modern design meets efficient performance. Upgrade your outdoor lighting today and enjoy up to 5 years of warranty on our entire solar range.